Have you ever wondered how the natural environment can contribute to your health and wellness? Well, today we embark on a journey of discovery, exploring the wonders of nature and how it can enhance our well-being. Imagine being in the serene environment of a forest, the cool breeze gently whispering through the leaves. Here we have the perfect setting for preparing a nutritious meal over a wood stove. Our dish of choice today is the delightful stuffed grape leaves, a meal that not only fills the stomach but also nourishes the body. To prepare this dish, we begin by selecting fresh grape leaves, their vibrant green hue a testament to their freshness. Next, we prepare a filling of rice, minced meat, and a medley of spices. The filling is then carefully wrapped in the grape leaves, creating small packages of deliciousness. The wrapped leaves are then placed over a fire, the flames licking the bottom of the pan, infusing the dish with a smoky flavor. As the grape leaves cook, their aroma fills the air, tantalizing our senses. While our meal cooks, we turn our attention to the practice of meditation. The tranquility of the forest provides the perfect backdrop for this exercise. We find a quiet spot, taking a moment to settle and become aware of our surroundings. The rustle of the leaves, the song of the birds, the distant sound of a bubbling brook all contribute to a sense of calm. As we close our eyes, we focus on our breath, letting the sounds of nature guide us into a state of deep relaxation. Today's activities are not just about preparing a meal or practicing meditation. They are about connecting with nature, understanding the role it plays in our health and well-being. The nutritious meal provides our bodies with essential nutrients, while the meditation practice calms our mind, reducing stress and promoting mental health. As we conclude today's journey, we reflect on the benefits of these activities. The preparation of the healthy meal taught us the importance of using fresh, natural ingredients in our meals. The meditation practice showed us the power of silence and tranquility in enhancing our mental well-being. So, we've learned, experienced, and grown today. We've learned to cook a healthy meal using nature's bounty, and we've practiced the art of meditation in the heart of the forest. We've reconnected with nature and understood its profound impact on our health and wellness. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember to share your experiences and thoughts. Subscribe to our channel to continue exploring the world of health and wellness with us. Enjoy the tranquility, savor the flavors, and cherish the moments. Until next time, embrace nature and stay healthy.